Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Subtutorials. Here we are, write a paragraph on money is a good servant but a bad master and also read it. Let's start. We can think of satisfying our wishes and desires when we have money. The more we have it, the more it serves our requirements, right from our basic needs to our luxury and entertainment. Every man is a participant in the rat race of earning more and more. Money is a symbol of power, a mark of status in society, and the reason behind man's courage and confidence. But acquiring money at the cost of others' suffering is a deadly sign. When money rules the head, man is the slave. The lust of money makes man cruel, self centered, mean, and dishonest. Man can even become a criminal. Money serves us for both, but as a master, it only ruins. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment for more updates. Bye bye.